Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default sound output device for HP laptop. And to do this we'll need to click on the Start, move to the Settings, here we want to select System and then Sound. Here you can find your output device, and if you have anything other than a default speaker connected or paired with Bluetooth, then you'll be able to see it right here. Then simply click on your device and set it as a default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.